Welcome to the Glam Fam. I'm Brandy.
I'm Nova. And I'm Ava.
And welcome to the Glam Fam. So we are not camping today.
And I'm Lionel.
Oh, sorry, boo. That's Lionel. So welcome to the Glam Fam. We are not camping today, but we do have something special. So if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And if you are, welcome back, outsiders. We're outside. So here we are going to get ready for the solar eclipse. Here in Ohio, in Dayton where we are, it is going to be in 100% totality of the eclipse. So we are super excited. So we are going to do a few crafts. They're kid friendly that can help you view the solar eclipse. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. So the first craft we have is going to be with a shoebox, Nova. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure no light can get through this shoebox, okay? So Ava is helping cut some pieces. And now what we're going to do, we're going to open it up and we are going to put the white piece of paper in the inside for the viewer, okay? So I'm going to let you tape it. Yep, the white to the box, yep. All right, we don't want to tape the middle, we just want to tape the sides, okay? Now, Nova, what we're going to do is cut a hole for that piece to go in for the sun, okay? All right, now Nova, come on over, Nova. Now we are going to cover this with tape and poke a hole for the sunlight to come in, okay? All right. Little windy. Hold on to your box.
I'm holding on really tight.
Oh, good. All right. All right, you can let go for a second. We're not going to tape the middle, we're going to tape the ends. Okay, it's very important you just tape the ends, not where you're going to put the hole. All right, can I trust you to poke a hole?
Yes.
We're using a safety pin. You can use a nail, piece of noodle, so something thin, a pin. And all you're going to do is just poke one hole through the foil.
Like this?
Yep, that's good. Might make it a little bigger, but I think you got it. All right.
I did a great job.
Yep. All right. So now we just need to make one more hole so we can add on this side of this box so we can watch the sun, and I'll show you how to use it, okay? All right, here we go. Can mommy be trusted with knives?
Great job, Mommy.
I've worked in a factory before.
Yo, that's like the 80s.
Not the 80s. All right, so what you're gonna do, wherever the sun is going, you're gonna put it like over your shoulder and then view inside the box. Okay? Tell me if you see your white card in there.
Yes, I do.
Okay. So that means it works. All right, so when it's really sunny, when it's time for the eclipse, that's how you can use it, okay? That's it. See how easy that was?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And we're gonna almost do the same thing with the cereal box. Okay?
But it's gonna be different a little bit.
Yeah, well, we were trying to wait on Ava, but she's on a lunch break.
We're gonna help my sister. Right, Mom?
Mm-hmm. All right, here, Nova. You can grab some scissors
That's like my family.
and cut this piece off for me.
That's family do. Help people when they eating.
Okay.
That's our no fair rule.
Oh, new fair rule.
Yeah, that's a fair rule. If
Okay.
someone's eating, you have to help them with their new stuff.
Okay.
I always want to see the sun.
Yeah, especially when we have this eclipse. It's gonna be really crazy.
Yeah, it's really
Total
crazy.
eclipse. I don't think I ever
It's really
seen that.
lighting. Look, see?
Because every time there was an eclipse, I was always at school and they was like, "You can't go outside. You can't go outside.
Yeah.
Don't look at the sun."
When I was at a Catholic school, they let us make, we made our own little viewers and you could go out.
Oh yeah.
And,
No, they wasn't letting us outside. Ghetto kids, we can't afford to feed you and fix your eyes when you go blind from the sun.
right, perfect. And then we're going to tape it in the inside. You have to put the hole has to face the sun. Wherever the sun is, the hole you have to put in the view of the sun.
I put it in the house like this.
All right, now I'm going to tape the box closed. Ava, if you want to come around, you can do this one. We are going to put a sheet of foil over one and a pinhole. All right, so you will cover the box. Only one side. And then you'll push the pinhole in it. But we're going to tape this on, okay?
All the chores. Until the children.
All right. Go ahead and carefully poke your hole in there.
Yeah. Make sure be careful.
She slid it. Oh no! Not a cat's eye, girl.
Oh, we just
No, it's
need
okay.
It's okay. We got to redo it. Okay.
Dang.
Okay, that.
All right. Okay. We had to deal with it, y'all. All right. We're in there. Okay. So this hole will face the sun, and then you will view it. Okay. Just like that. All right.
Like this.
Like this.
If it points to right there.
Yeah. If the sun is facing that way. All right.
The sun is facing this way.
So random toilet paper extra. We recycle around here.
Mama, question, Mom.
We're saving the environment.
So which one is gonna be Daddy?
And then we suggest making some tabs on it so it tapes a little easier. And you will kind of cut out a little section.
I think that's Daddy's.
Yeah, this will be mine.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, you're gonna be a baby one.
Like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. We'll cut this out. All right. Tabs come in handy. So to view the eclipse, this reflection will be here. All right, we'll get some foil. Can't have any sun coming in. So to be safe, you can tape it or have a rubber band. Poke the hole just like the other one. And then that is it. Put it towards the direction of the sun. And all you have to do is view it through right here. And it's going to be ready. So have fun viewing your solar eclipse. Easy peasy.
Mac and squeeze.
Mac and squeezy.
Sing this way.
All right, and if those three things don't work out, we've got shades.
You can count on those.
Yeah, dude, that's a
But
shame.
if you're
for real.
going to buy the glasses, you need to make sure that they're NASA certified. Especially if you have kids, you really don't want to go blind. Make sure they are certified solar eclipse glasses. All right, so let us know in the comments what you are doing for the solar eclipse. We're gonna be excited and ready. Somebody still has school, I mean, really? So we gotta go pick her up, but we might miss part of it. But subscribe to the channel because we are going to a big event. Stay tuned, I don't wanna leak it out, but it's gonna be fun. Until then, Glam Fam out.
Bye.
Sayonara.